Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Big Super. There in the community of White Horses. Yesterday, one light post fell down further up the road. So we decided we're going to take a look on it and give you some update on what going on. But right now, we're there in the vicinity where the Berita sign there. And we just look on how the road work. I come on down this side. So stick and stay, people, as Big Super walk the road. And so we're in a road, White Horses, and we are continue to walk up the hill. So stick and stay. Kimali TV, big up yourself. So we have Kimali TV here, people.
Yeah, man.
Kimali TV.
Out here with Big Super, you know, without fear, you know?
Alright, like, share, look him up, people.
Yeah, man.
Young YouTuber coming along.
Yeah, man.
Alright. We're up on the grounds of White Horses, and we are walking up on the hill. Because yesterday, one light post capsized and block off the whole of the traffic. And we wasn't here we get a first hand look. But today we're on the road and we're going to get a second hand report on what going on. So stick and stay. So my viewers and sub, we're there in the community of White Horses, and we are headed towards where the light pole did collapse. As we said, we wasn't here yesterday, but we come today to do a follow up on the story, see what going on. So stick and stay. A Big Super walk the ground and show you what going on in the light post. And remember, people, see the great Kimali TV there. When you go over there, go support him channel, bring him to 1,000 in no time. Big Super is on the ground in a White Horses. Oh, so we don't know. We are come on in the vicinity. A whole of rainfall yesterday, you know, people. Yeah. A whole of rainfall on the road. Maybe was on some. Lot of rainfall and things. So the place kind of mucky and wetty. We're there and thing, and we don't see where we no road thing there. Kimal, you see we no light post go down? I don't more. Okay, so we don't see, but as we're there, we're gonna take a look and see what go on. Yeah, my viewers and sub, so we are come on in the vicinity. Them say the last talk to a man. And them say the last concrete light post down there, so where the light post is dropped. Hello, nice lady. You have to come out on the road, look so dainty. Alright. So my viewers and sub, Big Super showing us all the female them up here. Come out and look dainty. And we are go down the stretch our road there. And we just have to take a look. Yeah, from what go on. Them say light post dropped down yesterday, and we wasn't here on spot, people. No, we wasn't around, so it corrected now, because as you can see, you don't really have no issue now. The place clear up and thing. Vehicle move speedily, so them fix up back the light post, people, and thing, and all these things. Yeah, and things look nice and good again. So although we wasn't around yesterday when the light post dropped, you see the workman them now, them finish up the work. Them them a finish up and them a clear up the wires them and all these things on the road now. So the thing take time to come on back. Nice and decent. And Big Super I show you. As we're up on the road here and we are show you know say everything take time. I look nice and jiggy. So we're up on the road and work are going and the gen come and say at one light post down there, so them put a concrete light post down there now. Yeah. Them put a concrete light post down there now, my viewers and stuff. So it look good again. Place clean and traffic can move freely. Everything will move nice. Morning. And round a White Horse is a smooth sailing. Right here now, you know nothing to really hold you up. Because the JPS workers them come through, them straighten up back the light post, them clean up back the road, and the cable people them now come through. The cable people them come through and them are straighten out the wires them on the road and things. So the road look nice again, people. And it's right down at the corner here, so which part them a make the wall here, work are going. So me viewers and sub, Big Super they round in a Roach Gully. And we have to tell you that the work are come on nice and decent round here. Yeah. And thing. And the road smooth, everything I go through, nothing for hold up traffic. Sweet and nice. Bless up. And thing. The viewers and sub. And as we approach the corner of the Roach Gully, you can see where we're there, people. Yeah. And we just a big up St.Thomas Jerk Festival. See the people? Yeah, year to year, the 30th of July. So you don't know Big Super endorse that every time. So we're there right at the entrance, you go down in a Roach Gully, people. And we now have a give you not much, but down in a Roach Gully, we just got anything here. But we just make you guys just give an update to make you guys know that the road is now clear and no light post in the road again. The wires them take up and it's smooth sailing over here in White Horse. It's for now, Big Super saying like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and remember, do the right thing, people. Go down in the description and support the link. Big Super saying peace out.